Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2021 Volvo XC90 T5 Momentum. This is in Savile gray metallic, which is a new color for this year, and it has a charcoal interior. Momentum refers to the trim level. This is the base trim level with a few added options. These 20-inch wheels are a nice upgrade. This is all-wheel drive, 7-seat SUV, standard, keyless entry, standard, tons of safety features, city safety collision avoidance, lane keeping aid, cross traffic alert with auto braking, pilot assist with adaptive cruise control. We did a little video on that to demonstrate that. It's pretty cool, semi-autonomous drive mode for the XC90s, giving you the option to take your hands off the wheel just for a split second, trusting that the car will keep you safely in between the lane and at a safe distance from the car in front of you. The protection package, it's all these rubber mats here. Those rubber mats just snap into place and they fit like a glove. They're great for a messy winter for sure. This one has the climate package. So you get the heated back seats, heated front seats, heated leather wrap steering wheel, heated windshield wiper blades. This also has the optional center booster seat. So the seats on the side will be heated and the center will not be. It's either booster or heat. Those are the heat controls. This one has the upgraded Harman and Kardon stereo system. These seats are super comfortable. This does have 4-way climate control. So the folks in the back are in charge of their own temperature. This has a wireless phone charging station right here in the front. You can select your drive mode here. Your cup holders, plug in for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This is where you'll find your climate control. Touch where you would like the heat to go. You can synchronize. This is where you'll find your backup camera, and this is a super clear screen. It's really great for backing into tight spots. It's just big enough that you don't have to keep looking back over and over. All right, well, if you're interested, this is stock number 219140. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need. We'd love to get you in for a test drive. We have tons of options. If this isn't the exact thing you're looking for, we definitely can find you something. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo. We'll see you soon.